आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So here the question says a point P moves on line 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the equation given to us, right? Next it says if q 1 comma 4 and r 3 comma minus 2 are fixed points, then the locus of the centroid of triangle PQR is a line A part with slope 3 by 2, B part parallel to y-axis, C part with slope 2 by 3 and D part parallel to x-axis, right? So uh, basically we need to find out the slope of the line or locus of the centroid. All right. So first of all, you know that what is a centroid? Centroid is a point which is the center of the object. All right, or you can say the point in which the three medians of a triangle intersect. So we know what is centroid now. Now we need to know what is a locus. So a locus is a shape. It is a shape or a curve made by all the points which satisfies a particular equation. All right, so let us find out the equation first and then we'll find out the slope of the locus. First we'll find out the equation for the locus and then we'll find out the slope and then we'll match our options. So let us take this P point as h comma k. So P h comma, or you can say don't take it as h comma k. We'll taking the x coordinate as h and then we'll find out the y coordinate in the form of h. So we are given the equation 2x minus 3y, here it will come minus, plus 4 is equals to 0, right? So here if we put x as h, so we'll be getting y as 2x plus 4 upon 3, right? And we'll replace this x as h in the y coordinate. So we'll be getting 2h plus 4 upon 3, right? And we are given q point as 1 comma 4, and what else are we given? R as 3 comma minus 2 in the question. All right, so if we need to find out the centroid, so let us take it as G. All right, so if we need to find out the centroid and let us take the coordinates as M and N is equals to, so we know the formula for centroid, finding out the centroid of a triangle, which says x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3, right? So these are the x and y coordinates for the centroid of a triangle. So we have all the points P, Q and R. So our x1 will be h plus 1 plus 3 upon 3. So I am just putting the values of P, Q, R here. Alright, so it will be h plus 1 plus 3 upon 3, comma. What is the y coordinate? 2h plus 4 upon 3. What is the x2? 4 plus minus 2 upon 3, right? So after solving this, we'll be getting h plus 4 upon 3, comma 2h plus 4 plus 6 upon 3 upon 9. So this will be h plus 4 upon 3, comma 2h plus 10 upon 9. So we have got the values for m and n, right? So now if we compare m to the x coordinate, which is h plus 4 upon 3, So from here, if we calculate the value for h, it will be 3m minus 4, right? Similarly, from here, if we calculate the value for n, it will be 2h plus 10 upon 9, right? So from here, 2h is equals to 9n minus 10, right? So we have the value for h here, so we'll be putting the value for h here. Okay, so it will be 3m minus 4 is equals to 9n minus 10. So on further solving this, we'll be getting 6m is equals to 9n minus 2, right? So we have just solved this equation, all right? So we'll be multiplying this and then like terms in one side and unlike terms in one side, and we'll calculate the further. So from here, if you can see, now we have got 6m is equals to 9n minus 2, right? So if you can see that this is the equation of the locus, right? So it will be representing the x and y coordinates m and n, representing the x and y coordinates of the equation. So we'll simply replace m and n by x and y. So we'll be getting 6x is equals to 9y minus 2, right? So now we have got this equation. So we'll be converting this equation into the standard form, that is y is equals to mx plus c, right? So we'll take this y to the LHS. So it will be 9y minus 9y is equals to minus 6x minus 2. So taking the minus common, we'll be getting 9y is equals to 6x plus 2. So here y will be alone, the coefficient of y will be 1, have to be 1. So it will be 6 by 9 plus 2 by 9. So it will become 2 by 3x plus 2 by 9. So this is the equation of the locus we were looking for. So from here, if you can see the value of m, that is slope, this is the slope, is 2 by 3. So now let us check the options which we are given, that if it has 2 by 3 as the slope, or so here it is 3 by 2, so it is wrong. Parallel to y-axis, not at all. Slope 2 by 3, this is the correct option, right?
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।